It doesn't get any more southern than this. Fried okra and green tomato cornbread fritters. To the ingredients: half a pound of fresh okra, roughly chopped, 2 green tomatoes, diced, and half a white onion that's been finely diced. And then add all your vegetables to a big old bowl. Half a cup of all-purpose flour, a cup of self-rising cornmeal. Now you're going to season: salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and Tony's Creole seasoning. Give it a good mix. Put it to the side. Half a cup of buttermilk, 1 egg, no shell, 4 to 5 dashes of your favorite hot sauce, or so. And then you give it a whisk to combine it all. Now you're going to add the wet to the dry, and you're going to mix till it's just combined. This should be like thick, thick. So when you scoop it, it holds its shape. Get it mixed. Oh yeah, baby, she's thick. Now go heat up 2 cups of vegetable oil over medium-high heat to 375 degrees. When your grease is hot, scoop, plop, smoosh. And you're going to fry these until they are golden brown and crispy on both sides. That means you got to flip. I'm thinking 3 to 4 minutes. Get them fried. Drain them on paper towels. Hit them with some kosher salt. Huh? So nice. Serve it with your favorite dipping sauce. And go on and make your plate, baby. So good. Mmm.